Hello everyone, good morning. Let's learn how to create a new storage account in Azure. Enable sftp, get it access from sftp client like FileZilla, winScP, or you can access it from terminal, command lines, and many more. So here we are in the Azure services. We can search here, storage accounts, and then create subscription, pay as you go. It depends upon, you can create new, but I'll use the existing one because I know after this particular video I'm going to delete this just for demo purpose. I'm using it for a while, that's okay. Then storage account name, demo sftp blob storage abc. Now you can review and create. It's taking a while. So if you see here, you have to check this. If you see enable sftp is disabled. This is very important because we can't use these circumstances in many business implementations. We can get business XML, EDI, JSON files, or any other files from your trading partners or from another application team or departments in which company you are working on. So in order to make it enable, we'll go to the advanced tab, and then we can see that if you scroll down, enable sftp. If I try to click here, it's gray out. I can't. So in order to make this eligible to enable, we have to click this, select this enable hierarchical namespace, and then enable. Now let's review and create again. So if you see now the sftp is enabled, but apart from that you can check other properties. So access the host. So you might not be knowing what is this host. So go back to advanced again. So we have the access there. It's being defined into hot, cool, and cold. Hot, so we can select when we need to get those files in a regular interval of time every now and then. Say like every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or every hour. So depending upon that, you can select. But in case if you don't want to use it for a long time for backup or something like that, you can select this one. For time being, I'll be selecting hot. Go back to review plus create. Now create, go back to resources, and here we are. Here's the storage account, and then we can see the sftp. Here we can add local user, demo edi. Instead of ssh key pair, I would choose password. Then it's asking for containers, so hold on. So let's say that we are going to create a container for a company called ABC Trading Partner, and then create. Now we have a container just for a trading partner called ABC. Under these we can create directories, inbound, and let's create another outbound directory. This inbound directory can be used for getting the files from the trading partner ABC, and this outbound directory can be used, say like if we are getting a XML file and then it got processed at our end through logic app process, and we wanted to send XML acknowledgement saying that the file got received or something in that particular body of the XML. That can be done. We can place back the file here, the acknowledgement file, so that the partner ABC team can get those files and get to know the status of the file they send to us in the inbound. Right now we have created inbound and outbound under this particular container. Now we'll go back to the demo sftp blob storage abc account, and then we can go to sftp now, and then add local user, demo edi, select password, next. And then we have the container already, ABC trading partner, permissions, read, write, list, delete, create. Now directory ABC trading partner. Now 8. Now we have successfully created the local user EDI demo. Now we will try to connect it from terminal. Here we go. That's this. We can see this inbound and outbound, and we are successfully connected to this blob. We don't have any file there, so let's try to go to inbound, and we can't see any file. It's empty. Go to container, trading partner, inbound, and let's upload one file. Let's go to download, and let's see any file. Okay, now the file is there. Let me go to terminal, ls, and we can see the file now. So I'm able to connect this blob from terminal using sftp connection. Cool. Now in the next lesson, say like we have multiple files being sent from trading partner ABC, and it's piling up here. So, and we are going to process it from the logic apps, and every time we process those files, we can't keep the files being there, so we have to delete those files. So in the next lesson we will go through how to create logic apps and get the connectors, blob connectors, connected it to this particular blob through logic apps. And if say like there are tens of files or thousands of files, and once we process those files, the logic apps after processing those files should get deleted. That's what we're going to learn in next lesson. Thank you.